y'all are possibly lubricating your chain incorrectly. I don't know about you guys, but if you've got an Ninja 1000 or any other bike with a low exhaust on the chain side like the Ninja has here, there's not a lot of room to get in and find the chain and service it, and it's especially with this exhaust, right? So in order to lube up the chain and get access to it, we're typically spraying lube either down here or back here somewhere to get the lube on the chain. But when you do that, lubricant doesn't just get on your chain, it gets all over your tires and your rims, and it's a complete mess. I have a quick solution to that problem, and I'll show you how to do it. We're going to do a little arts and crafts project, sort of. So what you're going to need is a nice good chunk of cardboard, a nice sharp knife, a little hunk of cardboard for scrap, and a pen. And this one happens to have a nice little handle in it, which will come in handy. It also has folds here for the that were already made in the box. You can certainly put them in yourself, leave them off, it doesn't really matter. I'll show you where they actually come in handy in a second. So what we're going to do, may seem pretty obvious now, right? We're going to cut the cardboard out here in the right place and the right size so that it fits over the wheel, the hub. And it'll fit behind the chain guard, and the sprocket will be in front of it. This will cover up the entire wheel. Spray guard, easy. So I'm going to take my scrap piece of cardboard, put it up next to the hub, the wheel hub, and just sort of mark the top and the bottom of where that hub is. You know, like that. Just a couple marks. I'm going to transfer this onto the big piece of cardboard. I'll show you in a sec. This folding piece at the bottom is kind of nice because you can get that to be on the ground like this, and that will, you know, catch all the drippings and whatnot that you might get from the when you're spraying. Actually, I'll probably use that side because this is the handle I can use here. I'm going to cut it out here, and so what I have to do is just measure, you know, up to the bottom, transfer our two lines, cut it out. We're in business. Great, we got lawnmowers. This is my old one, and it's still in really good shape. God damn. So that's it. It's a quick little spray shield for applying chain lube to your chain and not everything else. So thanks for tuning in. Give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and as always, ride safe and keep wrenching. Cheers.